Greek food is some of the healthiest in the world, so I'm going to do my version of a Marouli salad along with some grilled chicken. Now, you know how much I love air frying, and my air fryer is a 3-in-1. So it not only air fries, it steams, and it also grills. And I love this because it is a smokeless grill. So I've been preheating the air fryer on the grill function. I've got some chicken thighs here with the skin on. I love the skin because it's going to go super crispy. Also, a lot of the fat is going to render as it cooks on the grill in the air fryer. A tiny bit of extra virgin olive oil, some freshly cracked pepper, and some salt, a good pinch of salt. Now I'll just massage that oil over the chicken on all sides, and now we can add it to our air fryer grill. So I'll just take the basket out, and you can see it's a large air fryer, so it's going to fit 4 chicken thighs very easily. Oh, that's the sound we want, sizzling on the grill plate. Another one, skin side down. And there you go. And you can see there's some space between that grill plate and the base of the basket, and that's where all the fat is going to collect. And we'll just allow that to grill for about 8 to 10 minutes. Now, Marouli in Greek means lettuce. So I've got the king of the lettuce family, iceberg lettuce. I only need about 1/3 of this lettuce, and we're just going to roughly chop it, place that into a bowl. So I'll just grab that. And this particular salad has 2 essential ingredients, or I should say 3 extra essential ingredients. Some spring onions, dill and feta. So I've just got about 4 spring onions. I want to use the white and light green part. I don't want it to be too thin. Cut them into 2-centimetre rounds. We'll stop as soon as it starts to go dark green. Pop that to one side. And then into our bowl. Sprinkle that in. Greeks, they love dill, and so do I. So we want to roughly chop the tips of the dill into the bowl. And then feta. So a big chunk of feta. I'm just going to crumble that in. We want little pieces of feta for this. We want this to be like a chopped salad where every mouthful you get all of the ingredients at once. So nicely crumbled. And that is pretty much ready to go. We're going to wait for that chicken to finish cooking. And as that's cooked, I'm just going to dress this with some lemon and extra virgin olive oil. Chicken smells great. I know it's cooked, so let's plate this up. To dress the salad, a little fresh lemon juice, good squeeze over the feta. To that, I'll add some freshly cracked pepper, a tiny pinch of salt. You don't need too much salt because the feta is salty enough. And then some extra virgin olive oil. Okay, I like to use a fork and a spoon, particularly with iceberg lettuce, just so it stays nice and fluffy and it doesn't crush or bruise the leaves too much. Look at that salad. You know that that is healthy for you. Love it. Plate this up. A few generous spoonfuls of that salad. I could just eat a whole bowl of this. So I'm going to add quite a lot. Beautiful. Now for our chicken. Look at that. You open that up and it's pretty much smokeless. I want to show you how perfect this looks. Oh, look at that skin. It's blistered. It's chicken crackling. I absolutely love this. I'm going to place this straight onto the plate. We'll serve 2 per person. And a little extra salt on the skin. And because I have some extra lemon here, cut that in half and pop that on the side. This is what I crave in the middle of the week. Very simple, healthy cooking, all done in the air fryer that now grills. How cool is that?